Hello, Reddit enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Tech Tip Nest. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to turn NSFW, not safe for work, images on or off in Reddit. Whether you're looking for a more filtered experience or want to explore a wider range of content, this guide will help you customize your settings in just a minute. Let's jump right in. To get started, open the Reddit app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. It's also important to ensure you're using the latest version of the app, so head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and update if needed. Now, here's how to adjust your NSFW settings. Open the Reddit app, and in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture to bring up the menu. In the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon or 3 vertical dots. Click on that to access the Settings menu. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Content Settings or Advanced Settings, depending on your version of the app. Inside the Content Settings, you'll see an option for displaying NSFW content. If you want to see NSFW images, turn this option on. If you prefer a more filtered browsing experience, you can turn it off, and NSFW content will no longer be displayed. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Reddit experience based on your preferences. Whether you want to keep things PG or dive into a broader range of content, you're in control. Warky, if you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Reddit tips and tricks. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personalized Reddit journey.